Hi, I'm Bertha. I am a licensed massage therapist and a physical therapist assistant. And I thought today I would bring you all outside because it is just absolutely gorgeous out here. It's one of my favorite places to be is outdoors. And I just got distracted by a bird. I like birds. I like nature. Anywho, today I wanted to talk about the upper trap muscle. It can carry so much tension. We tend to carry a lot of stress in our bodies. Most people tend to. There are those rare few that do not, but most people tend to, myself included. So I don't know what's stressing you today. Is it your boss? Is it your coworkers? Is it your family? I don't know. Is it just life? I don't know what's stressing you out. What's causing you to hold so much tension in the neck and shoulders? We'll for myself, I will find that I have my shoulders up in my ears, and that's what I see on other people, and I just want to take and push those down. So before I even go into how I stretch my neck, let's just do something that is very simple and will just help your body just kind of stop for a moment and just take a couple minutes to yourself. So just a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. That's so easy. Do that a few times and you'll just feel, do it about 3 times, and you can just feel that tension just kind of oozing out of your body. So I want to talk about the upper trap. That is a very superficial muscle on the neck, and it attaches at the base of the skull. You ever get a lot of tension there? And it runs down your spine, your neck, and just kind of fans out here and attaches to your scapula. So it'll move that shoulder blade up. It will pull your head to the side and will also pull it back. So I'll show you how I stretch my upper traps. It is very easy. The hard part's doing it, right? So I just want to open up this space and lengthen this muscle. So all I'm gonna do is take my ear, this ear to my opposite shoulder to this shoulder, ear to shoulder to the same shoulder, not the opposite one, and just get a nice stretch in there. And I'm not doing this until it hurts. I have my hand on my head. It's mostly just the weight of my arm. I'm not cranking on my neck because the neck doesn't need that. It needs a little love. It doesn't need being cranked on and yanked on. The other thing, if I was inside and sitting on a chair, I would take my other hand and grab a hold of either the front or the side of the chair and just lean away from the arm and just get a nice pull from down here. So this is how I stretch my neck. And of course, I need to do both sides. As you can see, it's super duper tight. As I stated before, I am a massage therapist that does not get massages, and that's just not my long-term plan, but that's just life right now. So I would love to tell you that I do this stretch daily. It's not that I do it daily. I do it when I'm really getting a lot of tension. I should be doing it daily. And so I guess this video is a little bit of my accountability. Maybe you guys can help keep me accountable and help me get these shoulders out of my ears. So again, I just do some nice deep breaths, get those shoulders down. If you watched my video from yesterday, you saw how the postural stretch that I did to kind of bring those shoulders back, so down and back. And then the other way, as I mentioned before, the upper trap will pull your neck back. So the other thing I like to do is I'll just bring my head forward. I lace my fingers and just kind of put them on the back of my head and just let the weight of my hands just the weight of my arms is pulling down on my neck. I'm not yanking on it because, again, I said my neck doesn't need to be, it needs love. It needs some love to get rid of some of that tension. Thank you today for joining me outside and learning about the upper trap. I will be doing more videos like this, talking about what I do to keep myself mobile, strong, and pain-free for my profession. And I will talk about the things that I do daily and the things that I should do daily. So thanks so much for joining me, and you have a blessed day.